What was that?
I don't know. Hello, everybody. It is the Bearded Practitioner and Caden, also known as Andy. We are doing an unboxing today, and also, have you heard of the new or pun of the day first? Sorry. Have you heard of the new place called Karma? It doesn't have a menu, sadly, but at the same time, you get what you deserve. There's your pun. Dab. We're going to open this up.
Okay, what is this called, Caden?
This is called mysimplytailored.com.
So, I'll tell you a little story about them. So, they are a British and American-owned company. And they come out of... Where does that say the packaging's from?
Let's see.
If you go to their website...
Leguana Nichole?
Yeah, I don't know where that is. But, if you look on their website, they have... You can go and purchase in America and in UK and in Britain. Are you going to open it up?
Yeah.
Ooh.
While you were talking, I'm just going to get it open.
So you can go shopping on both sites, and depending on where you are. So they have the U.S. side where they have supply. Ooh, what is that?
A beard balm. Cold water. Scent is cold water.
Cool water.
Oh, this is going to be good. I'm just reading the name. This is going to be a good one.
Yes, it's very good.
It even has my special.
So in this, and then the interesting thing about this order is that you can, if you go shopping,
It smells so good.
It smells really good. You can kind of pick your own scents. It has some opportunities to upgrade your scent as well to a hemp-based scent. It is really cool. Cool logo though, huh?
It is.
What do you think? What do you think of it so far?
I think it's good. It smells very cologne-y. Like,
that's what it is. I chose 2 different cologne scented beard oils.
I shall put it down, but before I put it down, here is the logo for you guys. Now we will put that down right there.
They have beard soap, beard wash. It's pretty nice.
We got a letter.
Ooh, we have got a letter.
I don't know what that song is, so I just tried singing
Blue's
along.
Clues.
I don't know what that is.
Oh my gosh. Generations.
No, I play Fortnite.
I play Fortnite. What does it say there, sir? Oh. Here, just you can read it now. It's okay. We can pick it up later.
Okay. Ooh, he did it fancy. He typed it. Here at mysimplytailored.com, we take pride in what we do. We are always willing to hear how we can make things better for you. Please feel free to go to our Instagram page at mysimplytailored Mexico, mysimplytailored UK, mysimplytailored, and reach out to us in a direct message if you have any ideas, concerns, or just want to chat. We really appreciate your business and want to welcome you to the MST family. Thank you so much for your purchase. It really means the world to us. William D. Souza. Thank you.
That's cool, huh? So if you look on their site, they have definitely some opportunities. There's the Tailor Build Your Own Beard Oil.
That's $1.
For an extra $1. For an extra $1.
Or extra $1, sorry.
It says in this section, you can custom build your own beard oil, choosing all your favorites. Let's see.
I want to do that. That sounds fun.
It does sound. Your own beard oil, choosing your own base oils and essential oils for fragrance.
For the
perfect solution for your beard and your pocket. Ooh, very nice. And then you can see a whole lot of options.
Can I say something to My Simply Tailored?
Yes.
In the $1 thing, you have a typo.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, look. Where is it? Oh, you have to... For the...
Oh, okay. Well, we'll have to tell them about that.
But now we're going to get back to the unboxing. And, whoa.
So
1 milli.
1 milliliter. Because it's in what? Because it's British. So they use metrics.
What's
in
British?
Most everywhere else in the world, but America and a few other places, they use metrics.
Okay.
That's why you have to learn metrics. That is why you have to learn it. So we have cold water and we have 1 mil. So this
it says 1
is
milli, I think.
cold water.
It says 1 milli.
Yeah, that's 1 mil. Oh, 1 mil. Yes, 1 mil. That's the name of the.
Oh.
Ooh, that's a good size one. And then we have the.
It smells so good. It smells like candy.
Does it smell like candy? Ooh, that is nice smelling.
Do you smell candy?
Mm,
The after smell, I think, is candy.
You think so?
Yeah.
You think it smells like candy?
Oh wait, we haven't guessed what. I think I know what's in that one.
Compared
That one's very
to-
clone-y, but what's in?
What does that say? Paco Rabanne. So that's the
What do you
kind of
think's in
cologne. So that's a
here?
cologne. So that's a cologne scented style. So what they do, just so you know, Caden, is they make something that smells like a company's cologne. So there's a cologne out there that smells exactly like this, and it's named.
Compared to Paco Rabanne, 1 milli.
Yeah. And then cold water is.
Cold water compares to David off cold water.
Yeah, cool water.
Cold water.
So instead of cold water,
So,
it's cool water.
and then also, we got cold water beard oil.
Very nice.
And let's see what the ingredient. We have ingredient. This is a nice label. Feel this.
It is a nice label. Ooh, that is nice. Nice label. And then this is interesting. So they.
Ingredients. Or
Go
you
ahead
go.
and read-
You go.
you go.
You
No,
go.
you go
You
read
go.
the ingredients.
I interrupted you. You go.
It's okay. You read the ingredients.
Ingredient: coconut, hemp, jojoba, and some essential oils.
Jojoba.
Jojoba.
And
I
some
always get
essential oils.
jojoba and jojoba
Yes.
messed up. This is confused.
It's okay. What do you think?
I think this is gonna be very cologne-y. Exactly what I smell. I feel like you get you smell the coconut.
Oh, that's.
You get the coconut.
You think it's coconut?
No, like
Oh,
it's
that's
made out of
good.
coconut.
That
You get
is
the
super good.
spice from coconut. Like
Yeah, that smells
coconut,
exactly
you know how
like
coconut has a really strong smell.
coconut, but I don't smell the coconut. There's no coconut in here.
Let's read this.
You think? Oh, you think that?
Ingredients: coconut, hemp.
Okay. Oh, okay. Ooh.
So I got you. I got you.
It's okay, kid.
I got you.
What do you think of this?
Yada.
So it has coconut. Ooh, look, there's like little flecks of stuff in it. Look at that.
Oh, I didn't see that. That's
It's
cool.
like cloudy. Ooh, very interesting.
Maybe that's the coconut.
Yeah, I don't know what that is. It's could be the hemp.
And then we got 1 milli
1 mil.
1 mil.
I thought you were saying milliliters.
1 mil.
Yes, the name of it is 1 mil.
So the reason I did this is I said 1 coconut. So we're not gonna talk about that. Or said something about coconuts.
It's okay.
So 1 mil. It's the beard oil. We are gonna smell it and we are gonna love it. Smells exact. It has a lighter smell. I'll say that it has a lighter smell. But it's still amazing.
That's still nice. That's really nice. Yeah, that's super nice. Do you know the interesting thing about these is that if you notice, the label's very nice, and then they just write in, and I don't care. You're being human.
I'm
Be a human. So 1 milli, but if you look at it, he drew in, so they wrote it in. So I think that's cool. I don't know if anybody really even. I mean, honestly, I like the labels are nice. The fact that they wrote it in is no big deal.
The labels are really smooth.
They
Like
are.
if you guys buy it, well, I'm gonna say this. You guys should buy this.
Well, these are really good price too. So that's the other thing.
And you can build your
Super
custom
nice.
thing for just $1 extra in a purchase. That's an amazing
I would
deal.
say that this is more of a. Let's see. It's a little
Oh,
bit
we
medium.
haven't done the hand checks yet.
Yes, I know. We're gonna check that out. So rub that in there, buddy.
Actually smells really strong.
It smells good, huh?
Yeah.
Yep. So we'll try the other one, cool water. Cold water, just cool water. Ooh. Let's see this one. Okay. that smells like?
Can you rub it in? Because I have it on my other hand.
Oh, okay. What does that smell like?
Smells more deodorant.
Like deodorant?
Yeah.
You think? I think it smells like the cologne, you mean?
Yeah.
Yes.
Or sorry, not deodorant. Cologne. Yes, sorry guys. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Please leave a like. And see you next time. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew.